I just don't know how the shelves are going to be adjustable enough for everything that we have.
Yeah, the doors aren't. They're where they go. They're not going up and down.
But the shelves, I'm just trying to figure out. I measured the other day. Yep. Like it?
It's white. I like it. Well, I like everything that I'm gonna like about
because, actually, I really don't want to have to try to keep that stainless clean.
Yeah,
Because
right.
my stove, I have a heck of a time keeping it clean. Yeah, I think I'm going to skip
It's the best. It's not great, but it's the best here.
Yeah.
They don't make magnetic refrigerators anymore. I don't get that. That bothers me so much.
What are all the kids going to do without magnets? They don't know what they're going to do.
Well, that's our thing. We always get magnets on vacation.
Yeah, I know.
We put them on our fridge.
Know.
We could put a magnetic sheet on the side of the panel, you know, like the one Daddy was talking about taking off,
Right.
and stick all the magnets there.
Let's see. We have one for milk.
You could.
Actually,
Hey, I thought of something.
what?
You could ask them if those shelves would fit in this.
The other kind?
Yeah.
The adjustable?
I mean, 'cause
Yeah.
we're in scratch and dent anyway, so
Yeah.
if the shelves are mixed match,
It'd be nice to just switch one.
yeah, it would.
Oh, they're made different. The
Are they?
shelves are different. Yep. The shelves are completely different.
Oh,
I really like that. But, well, not that, but
those shelves.
that. The inside of that one
Oh,
better.
yeah. Mhm.
But I'm just trying to think, okay, we've got water, so it's going to have to go down one more for the water jugs.
The water jugs won't fit. We'll have to take a shelf out.
That's what I'm saying. We'd have to drop this shelf down a notch. And then if we put milk, oh, holy cow. I understand what's the point of that.
There's a lot of things I've seen that I don't see the point
I
of.
mean, I really don't understand the point of that. This is it.
I think that's the one.
Me too. And I like the price a lot better.
I like the color a lot better. It's
And the only thing is, it's just like our old one. Our older one had a thing on the handle that was messed up. So I really don't care. I'm not gonna order one because this is the color that if I ordered it, I don't know why it's that way, but I suppose when we get home we can take it off.
I'm afraid to pull on it too hard.
Yeah.
We'll mess with it when we get home.
Yeah. Well, maybe we will, maybe we won't. Oh, there, yeah, the screws right there to loosen it. Yeah, because I was going to order disc, but that's the one that was going to take till November 7th to get a new one.
Oh.
So I'm going to take one that's a little bit scratched up.
Yeah, right. Hate for our refrigerator to go out during.
Yeah, while we're waiting.
Yeah, while we're waiting on a new one. Look how this opens up.
Boy, that's a little bitty washing machine.
It's a little tiny washing machine.
Very
yeah.
small. for an apartment.
I just like how this lid,
Yeah.
like, is hinged like that.
The ones I don't understand
Uh-huh.
are they've got some. I thought maybe they had one where it's like it's got two washing machines in it. It's got one up on a small one, like right here.
Oh, yeah.
Like laundry,
Uh-huh.
bras and stuff.
I've seen that. Something ran into this.
Yes, it did. Majorly.
Alright, excuse me.
Sure.
Small scratches.
That's all we saw was that one small scratch.
Alright, did you want any extended warranties on it?
No, thank you.
Do you have a 1-year manufacturer warranty on it?
Okay.
So you'll just have to call Kenmore,
Okay.
which I'll give you their number and everything.
Okay. You can have this one now. I had to void out what.
Oh, that's pretty. This,
This one? Yeah, I
This one?
like that.
I want to sit on it.
I would, but I've got oil on my hands or on my legs.
It's all right. It's not as comfortable.
Does it look?
I like that gray one that was back in the corner
What
there.
about this one?
I think we.
Not.
That's it.
Oh no. Okay. It's no. I was
Oh, okay.
like, how is that just $300? We'll
Okay.
buy it now.
Yeah, right. Except we'd get this one. I like this one better. But see what I was thinking, like at the end where our
Right. Yeah.
the couch from Pat McHale.
Right.
Put this
Yeah.
there. You know,
So
it's
it kind of
curved.
closes off the room as a yeah.
Just a thought.
I know. Well, we had thought about that at one time. We used
Oh, look at that light.
yeah.
Flash, flash.
Well, are you happy we got a bisque?
I'm happy we got it from Sears. Is that a pizza shop? That looks like a pizza shop.
It's way down here, if I'm not mistaken.
There says Sears Outlet Store, ring bell for service.
Oh, right there.
Right there. We could back up and they could drop it in the bed. Back up
Well,
the.
you know what? I'm gonna turn around.
I'll be right up.
Okay, thanks.
Oh, that's why we heard that doorbell.
Oh,
See, it says ring bell for service.
yeah, that's what that was.
I told you it wasn't me.
I thought you had walked past something. look, I see. We
I'm sitting up high right here.
I like this one when I do something.
You really gonna have to tilt this bad boy. Woo. Oh. A little bit more. Tilt that bad boy up. Hmm? So kind. Hmm? There we go. There.
Yeah, about like that.
Stays up. Okay. Push it.
Yeah, I just wanted it down here so that it wouldn't.
You guys have some type of strap?
Yeah, we've got a bunch of
All right. Just need a signature from you. Yeah, I'll go green it for you. So.
These are different.
And those straps in the bed are nice, or the hooks in the bed are nice.
Yes.
Let me hold it.
You're not gonna have very many straps. Hand me one more. Hand me that other one because it's already short, I think.
Yeah, when you start cranking it, I think the strap's gonna come off.
I don't know why these won't strap down.
See what I mean? It keeps coming farther and farther back this way.
Yeah, because that thing is not gonna hold it. Need
those rails on the sides of the bed.
You know what? I know what to do.
Okay.
Make sure that stays hooked over there.
Uh-huh. Getting it. Don't tie it so tight that
I don't care if there's a bend. It's gonna be under the cabinet.
I meant don't tie it so tight you can't get it untied.
Yeah.
I want to see what it looks like from the front with the fridge. Well, that's not good. Pull on it.
Now hold it on. Hold on, I got it.
Okay. Think so?
Why you gotta show up looking so
Just need to tighten it.
Good thing you checked. It's loose.
It's not super loose, it's just, but it is loose. I can tell it was starting to flop around. Hold on.
No.
Slide it back towards the...
Okay.
Gotta give myself some more play. Alright.
I found a hubcap from a van.
I saw it in the Sears.
I know what this is from. You know Frank's van that he used to have? This is from one of those. It's an Explorer van. It moved around a lot. Think so?
Huh?
Think so?
Yeah.
I don't know if you'll want my help with that, but you want me to help you back up first? Just a little more, just a... You can come back a little bit, but not much. Okay. Yeah, you could have came back farther, but I wasn't sure with where your hitch mount goes in. I didn't want that to bust up that step.
No, that's good. But Dad is probably gonna have me scream twice.
Windy.
That's good because I was roasting in the truck.
Me too.
Hi, guys.
Hi.
Just what I was thinking.
The one
It got real loose.
off the top.
Really? Okay. Let me go get the dolly. Man, girl.
I can straighten that up. But
Yeah.
I was wondering if it would be just easier to go around like where we
No.
Christmas tree sometimes.
No.
I think
Would be better if you could just.
Hey, here's
Yeah.
an idea.
What else do I
Maybe
have?
get some boards.
You're right on. You're right on. Turn your wheel as hard as you can. Get your straighten up as much as you can. We get some boards.
Okay.
Absolutely. Absolutely. That's the whole thing I was thinking. Then we got a 3/4 inch plywood in there in the garage. That would be perfect. But be very, very careful. Backing up, okay?
is your hitch mount gonna hit the step?
Only if I back up like 6 inches.
Okay.
Turn that wheel as hard as you can before you let the clutch out. To this way. Yep. Like you're gonna turn left, but you're going in reverse. Lock her down. Okay, we got a big piece of plywood by your toolbox.
Uh-huh.
Go grab that.
There. And then you can pull it up.
Oh, that makes more sense. Yeah, you couldn't have got any closer.
How were the people?
Real nice.
Oh, you didn't even have a box in it, huh?
Nope, it was a floor model.
Okay. Why don't I stick in my thing right there?
Okay.
The bear's head. So. Beautiful. Look at that.
You have to scoot it back some before you tip it, because it's all the way to the cab.
Okay.
Oh man, you should see all the bugs. Just like you said, Wyatt.
Yeah.
It's covered with bugs.
Oh yeah. Lots of bugs.
Okay. Over the top of you.
Oh, the top.
Yeah. No.
You may run it
Yep.
in between the door handle and the. That big one didn't fit.
Yeah.
It wouldn't have fit
on the dolly.
I got to turn it this way.
I think it would have.
Get that puller. Give her a pull. Okay. Ready? Pretty tight?
Yep. Okay.
Okay. Ready the first one? Ready?
Yep.
Next one?
I get the.
Okay. There's this big
Yeah.
door.
Before we close that big door, I need to fix the seal.
Oh yeah, the seal came down. It stuck to the door.
It's stuck to the door.
I don't know where to go with this right now.
Just,
It's almost out here.
yeah, set it there. I'm gonna close the door till I get a ladder or something. Furniture. They've got mattresses. They've got.
That's what it's. Yeah. We put the first thing in.
Yeah. And then we put the dent in my tailgate
Oh,
getting it
my
out.
God.
Oh yeah, in that
made me
first
sick.
one.
That made me sick.
Because it was, let's see, we got this in, what did he tell you, March of 2000?
That's what the book said. The book said 2000.
Oh, no, it was 2001. We bought it in March of 2000, a year.
Yeah.
Oh.
Not much. It had like 30,000 miles on it.
Yeah, because the
20,000
first
miles.
year we didn't drive it hardly any.
Yeah, we didn't drive it much at all. So it might have had teen on it.
Because that was before we went out west, so it was probably just had
Teens.
not even teens, probably 4 digits.
Oh my gosh, I don't even think about that.